My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I keep these under 3 minutes so you don't get bored and I don't fall asleep. I've worked thousands of IRS cases, thousands of them. Many of you have seen me on Fox or ABC or all the News Nation, Newsmax shows that I've done. The key to having any success if you owe IRS debt is to understand the IRS financial statement. I've probably made 10 videos of these. You do not know how important that is. That is the single key to getting your very, very best result in dealing with IRS. Why? They have to have that to make a determination to close your case. I did when I was an agent. I just can't say, boy, let's do this, let's do that. No, the financial statement is a base for them to work with. They're going to get the financial statement, then they're going to make sure, then they're going to make sure, then they're going to make sure, then they're going to make sure you have all the documentations that match up and aligns itself to that. That's what's absolutely necessary to do that. If you understand the IRS financial statement and know that they're going to drill closely down at your assets, what are the values, if you look closely down and know what the IRS national standard is, what they're going to allow on your financial statement. And by the way, if you want a hint, go to IRS national standards and they'll tell you what they're going to allow for most of the categories. That is what IRS is going to use to compile what they're going to accept on the financial statement. And with that information, they'll either put you in a currently non-collectible payment plan or an offer and compromise. Remember, the IRS national standards will be substituted. They'll knock your expenses there and put yours in for food and clothing, housing, utilities, car payments, and car expenses. They're not going to accept that. So knowing the financial, that's why it's key. You go to someone who knows what IRS is doing with that financial statement. If you know that, it's a slam dunk to have success, because if you know what they're going to do, you know what the result's going to be. If you need me, call me, give me a subscription. I always share the good stuff to you. Thank you so much.